TigerMomKittenDaddy will open eggs.
Let's hit it. What is inside, Declan?
Tomicas!
Wow, so many Tomicas. Wow. Wow. Wow, so many Tomicas.
Yeah.
Let's open it. The first one is
The Mickey Mouse from Disneyland.
okay, it's the Mickey Mouse bus from Disneyland. It's the Santa Thematic Tire Type Milling Machine.
Oh, that is so cool. What? That is so cool. Maybe just like that.
What can it do, Declan?
Maybe just do that.
Wow, that's amazing. So the next one, what are you gonna open, Declan?
I'll open this. Mickey Mouse today.
Okay, what are you opening now?
Tomica bus.
It's a Tomica Disney bus. It's a double-decker bus.
Yeah, you open this.
And the third one is a Keihan Railway Thomas the Tank Engine 2015.
That's for 2016.
Yes.
The 12 one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Shinkansen.
Oh, it's the Shinkansen Series N700. Wow. Alright, let's take a look. Wow.
Oh, you will hook any train, Sammy.
Oh, you can hook any train with the Shinkansen?
Yeah.
What is this? This is the Komatsu Motor Grader. Okay.
Wow, here turns this, Sammy.
What is that? Oh, you can turn like that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Another thing.
It's the Dr. Yellow Type 923-T5 Shinkansen.
I write this before, why?
Oh, you write that before?
Yeah.
Where?
In the new place, in there.
Which country is that? You ride the train.
The Shinkansen.
Where did you ride Shinkansen? What's that?
A pickup.
Oh, it's a delivery truck.
Yeah.
Okay, it's similar to a pickup truck.
Yeah. Same like the pickup truck. Like this. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, this is bread,
This is the delivery car for the bread.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite bread, Declan?
The chocolate bread. This has chocolate bread inside.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And I open this.
Wow, that's the premium collection. And what number is that?
20.
That is the Nissan Skyline.
Alright, we'll open.
Wow.
What? What is this? Oh, you can open the door.
Oh, you can open. Oh, the door can be open.
The door cannot only door.
Only one side. And which side is that?
And another side.
Oh, both sides can open.
Not in back and not in here.
Okay. Verse 17 is the Honda S2000 Type S.
Well, what? Snake. Wow, it's a sports car.
It's a sports car.
18.
Number 18 Mitsubishi GTO Twin Turbo.
Mommy, his wheels are this seven.
Oh, the wheels can be up and down.
Ta-da!
Wow, and Declan with all his new Tomicas. And he's super happy. And Declan now is tidying it up. That's the last spot for the Disney cars.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye, Nina. Kita dah dusun bambu.
Dusun bambu.
Dusun bambu.